go, Mom. It's all ready. Sorry, didn't mean to make it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Oh, golly. I'm making a documentary. How do you feel about this, Kathy?
I don't like this at all. I'm scared.
Well, at least you're up on the top. Hey, did you see Wiener's car? It's floating now. It wasn't floating just a minute ago. Wowzers. Oh, my goodness. Look at it. Go get Garnet? Okay.
Maybe turn things off, Sam.
Okay. Oh, darn. Sorry, got interesting here. Come on up. I need you guys to come up on the porch for a minute, guys. Logan, come up on the porch. 1, 2. Get up there now, please. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, Lisa. This is your house. I would. Man. Susie! Susie! Do you guys need to come up?
Oh, this is a cute one, huh?
Wiener. Look, Lisa. Look, Mike. Man. Okay, we're here to rescue your mom, Lisa. Look, the water that's coming up. No, Sissy, I need for you to stay there. Wiener's, oh, sorry, I don't mean to make you dizzy. Wiener's car was parked, in his usual spot right in front of the house. It floated up, and now it's floating down. I can see it. It's going to float down the river. Oh, my God. I know Wiener's probably in shock. And there he is, just watching. Look at the river. Okay, let me go get Garnet.
Can you get him?
Yeah. Stay here, guys. I'm going to go video. Mom, I can't video with these guys here. Stop.
All right, you guys.
Get in the yard for a minute. Let me just go video this, okay? Emily, get in the yard with Mama, please. Go. Get in the yard before I spank you. 1. Come on, let's go. Mom, call Sasha. She okay? She need us to come and get her? Well, I'm not worried. And then we can watch the videos. Oh, I don't know, Mom. Where? No. Okay, today is the, is it the 8th? Let's find out. Yep, it's the 8th of July. Oops. 10:46 a.m. Sorry, I have an umbrella in hand. Okay, and then we're coming down here. Mom, do you need to call Lois? Huh? Okay. All right. Everybody's moving to higher ground because it's still raining.
We come there and check to make sure everybody was out.
Do you smell the gas, though?
Yeah, I do.
Did you call somebody? Has somebody?
They're tied up. We can't do nothing.
Until something blows up or something? Wow.
Look around that corner. I almost busted it here.
Done destroyed everything.
I guess we'll always have to work together now. There ain't nothing we can do.
I know Wiener's in shock.
Oh, I know.
Oh, he's got to be in shock as he watched his car or truck floating down. He's had that truck
Yeah,
for
that's
years.
my truck.
Oh, is that your truck?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
It's gone.
Well, yeah, and it's probably so old he probably only had liability.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Okay, I'm going to walk down here to the river. Okay, Logan and Emily, you can come with Mommy. Go ahead and make some more coffee, Mom. You want to? Yeah, but where would you take it to? No, they've got coffee from McDonald's. Emily, baby, right here, sweetheart. Mom, we're going to walk out to the river. She's coming, yeah. She's okay. Get on the sidewalk, Emily.
How come we have to walk out to the river?
Because I want to see how high the river is. Okay, we are lucky that Mama lives in a place that only floods once every 100 years. So we've got to hope that it's not going to flood all the way up here. And you get a lot of... Stop.
How come we hope it's not?
Come on, class. Come on, class. Sissy, come on.
How come we hope?
Come on, baby. Get on the sidewalk again, sweetheart.
How come we hope? How come it floods here only 1 year?
No, Mama's house is high up. Come on, Emily. Come on, baby. Come on, sweetie. Ouch. We're going to walk right down here and see how high the river is. Come on. Hi. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, the river is not really that high. I mean, not dangerously high yet. Logan, please get under an umbrella. Well, you don't really need to if you think you're having fun. Come on, Sissy. We're going to walk down here. I want to see. Is the water coming up that way? Not there? Okay. Yeah, down, yeah, and even down the alleyways you can see it. Okay, there you go. Are you that far down? Are you that far down, or you think it's going to get it? Huh, in your yard? Have you seen it flood? Oh. Well, flowers are nothing compared, yeah. Come on, baby. Logan, go in the yard, okay? I'm videoing. I guess I should get my camera out, too. Come on, baby. Come on, Emily. Come on, baby. We need to get up on that. Come on, sweetie. They're evacuating them? Yeah, no. Coming down here. Or they're just bringing them out. Come on, baby. Get in the house, sweetie. Mom, call and see if Mike's home. Oh, I was going to say I don't know it. 301-599-7972. Wow. Okay, you guys get up in the road. I'm going to go down there and just video a little bit more. No, stay here, Logan, or I will spank you. I will let you go again in a minute. Get up there and wipe your face off. Go inside and get a towel and wipe your faces off. What? I'm sorry. Shame on you. Lisa, look at your mother tell me get out of the way.
You may not be in the flood, they may not, they are considered flood zone, but we could 5 flood, Kenosha City. Exactly.
Okay, well, I can't hang up yet, so don't go. Hold on, the car, it just floated down Front Street, Mike, and it's right in front of, you know, Tyler's house where Stasha babysits? Right there. It looks like it's parked. And we smell gas, but there's not much we can do. But, oh, there's boats. Oh, somebody's going to rescue people. Dun dun dun. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm trying to be quiet. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, wow. Where are they going? Okay. Well, let me get... Oh, my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Coming up. This is the side street. I guess you won't be babysitting tomorrow.
They said it's,
Man. Okay, I just want to show you how much it's changed just within, I would say, a half an hour's time. I'm not quite sure. Let's see what time it is. And we'll be able to. It's 11 o'clock. The water has now come up to here. I need to run inside the house and get some medicine for Garnet. Everybody. This is the first car that's come down. Yeah, it's been here for a while. I asked Brian, he said they're tied up everywhere, but...
everything.
Yeah. That car is going to float down the river, and you're going to see it down here in just a minute. That was a nice car in its day.
Yeah, it was actually brand new.
It's already in the lower, it's in the lower part of the parsonage already.
Well, they should have had to get their butts out of there.
Are they down there?
In our church up in Ohio,
Oh.
the pastor and his family.
I think they're evacuating all the way up to Narco, though.
Well, they're in the upstairs and it's already in the parsonage.
Wow. I'm looking for that car to come down. She's okay, right, Mom?
It already come past the church because I just talked to the preacher.
What?
The car. One
No,
of
the
them.
silver-
There's another
yeah.
one on its way.
No, this one just came down this way and it's coming down that way.
Get out of the way, Linda.
Sorry.
Oh. I'm just waiting for the car to come down. I didn't get the last one. Yeah. He's talking to him right now. Oh, okay.
Mommy, open it.
Just a minute, baby. Baby, wait a minute. Mama, can you open this for her, please? I've got one hand. I'm waiting for that car to come down the river.
I got your umbrella out the car a while ago.
Here. Give it to Emily. She's the one wanting it. Move out of the way, baby. Here comes the car. Go over there.
He's going to go the other way.
Oh, I would. Yeah, well, he can't get through here anyway.
42 years ago, my 15th birthday. First birthday party. They come out of Holland, down through there. I don't remember anything. Well, my higher age.
Well, I was waiting for the car. I know just as I turn it off, it's going, but I know you're getting bored, so. I need gas. So this is...
So there's a possibility I will get out to work. Well, I've done called the hospital. Unless one
Can
of
you,
y'all can get down here.
is he still talking to them? Oh, okay. I was just going to go down here and video a little bit more. He's trying to right now. Are you on? Yeah. You got the power?
Cause
Yeah.
them power poles over.
I've got the other.
You've been busy, huh? Not much you can do either, is it? Until... Yeah. And it's raising, I'd say it's raising 6 inches every half hour.
It's not raining right now.
Is this supposed What exactly are they doing? Nobody knows?
Maybe they're trying to rescue that man there on top of the hardware, see him?
Oh, no!
I hadn't seen
my
him before.
gosh.
They pointed him
And
out.
I didn't even get that on video.
I don't know how they'll do it because I don't know how they'll maneuver
Me?
that boat into.
Especially against that current.
That's what I'm thinking. Is that a porch of the hardware that's lying out there in the middle of the road?
I have no idea.
Looks like a concrete.
You did see the cars coming down, right?
No,
There's been like 3 cars that came down. One of them came down, floated, and I saw it going down the river. Is that awful or what?
They're trying to get through that down the bridge. Everyone has to take the paddle.
I guess Gully Bridge got flooded too.
Did it?
Yeah.
I guess any place is on a creek like that.
But the river's not really, I mean,
No, it's not a river.
not threatening. Yeah. Well, how in the world did he get up on there, and why didn't he have sense enough to get out? Or maybe...
Been in the building.
He didn't know.
He was in the store.
Oh, and he wouldn't come out? Oh, he came out now, didn't he?
You don't have to be on top of the building, no. Water's going down now.
Maybe Channel 8 will
Hey,
come
come on down, buddy. It's all right now.
I'm going to be clowning that damn boat.
Water in your house?
No, just basement full, that's all.
That's a shame. 4 people were rescued, or 3 people were rescuing their lives to save somebody that could have let them be somewhere else.
But the fair's lost everything.
Oh. They're going to go rescue this guy that should have been. But I better get back up to the house because I forgot that. Mom's probably not watching. Oh yeah, I've been videoing it for about an hour or so. Who? No, he's been awake. They've been awake.
Maybe she's going to go to a field trip.
Logan, look at me. I need to video you. Back up a little bit, please. Get back up there. I want to ask you guys some questions, okay? No. I want to ask you questions about the flood. How do you think a flood affects our neighborhood?
About flooding the earth.
How do you think flooding, does it hurt or help people?
Hurt.
Hurts people? What happens when there's a big flood? What gets ruined?
Our houses.
And what else?
Our houses. And our cars.
And our cars?
This never happened before.
No, not for a long time, huh?
This only happened in 18 years.
Oh, yeah? Oh, my. There's that silver car that floated down. I kept looking for it down the river, and it never did go. Is that the fair house?
I'm not sure.
We didn't have to. How
No.
did you come up on us like that?
Yep.
We didn't have time.
I said, but he wants to wait. Yeah. Yeah. Can I get out?
that crack in Jess's room?
Where's it at?
Right here. There's a crack. Right here around where that little window, there's a crack. Get it. As much as you can.